One app for sports, for live TV, movies and TV shows, all on your streaming device. First thing we need to do is check out one setting to make sure these apps will work properly. Use your remote, click to the right and head over to the setting icon, the little cog wheel up top, and select on it. We're going to come down to privacy, select on it, and then we can come down to security at the very bottom of our page and just select security. Scan apps with Play Protect. Make sure we have this off so that our applications that we've downloaded do not disappear after a certain amount of time. So once that's done, we can just hit the home button on the remote. And now we just need to download one application to find all these amazing apps that we can install. So we can either just hit the apps icon and come down, and in search apps, we can select it with our remote. And we can either just type in the word or use the voice to text, which might be easier. Downloader. And we have results for downloader. Downloader is this orange icon. Select it and install it onto our device. This gives the device ability to sideload applications that may not be available in the App Store. We'll need to say accept, and then here we can click install. This will automatically install the application onto our device. We can just hit open. Downloader does have a little quick start guide, which you can read through, or just click the center button on your remote to click OK. Downloader works just like a web browser, so we could enter any URL like https://ledbytheunknown.com, or have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. So we can hit the select button and select again, and Downloader brings up a keyboard for us to enter this short code. So we need to just come down and hit the number buttons symbol, and we'll just type in 3701778, and then go down and hit the enter button or go. And this will direct us right to the Led by the Unknown's website, to its downloads section. Once the 5-second redirect is over, we can go up to the very top to the 3-line button up there, and we can add this page to our favorites. Click on it. It gives us the option to name it and then click save. So anytime you want to come here, instead of entering the short code, you can just come to the favorites section and it'll automatically connect to the web. It'll automatically bring it up to the web page. So our remote works just like a mouse. And this little red circle is our cursor. So we can hit down, go up, left, and right. And then the select button is our click button. And we just highlight the X, click it out. Same with this one, click it out. Now on this web page, we can find a bunch of apps and some tutorials to go through to help with your selection. So here we have movies and TV shows, the best apps. The one app we're always looking for. We can click on this little blue button for film, and it automatically downloads it to our device. We can click install. Install unknown apps. Currently, Downloader is not authorized to install an application. So we just highlight Downloader and turn it on. It's as easy as that. Some people call this jailbreaking. It's not. It's just enabling one option to sideload applications onto the device. So we have now enabled Downloader. Now it's like, do you want to install the app? Yes, we do. Click install. And then we can just click done, because we don't need it quite yet. If we still have the screen up, you can just back out once. And here it gives us the option to delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. We don't need the installation file taking up space on our device. Now we got the one app we really wanted for our device. Let's go to the home screen and find out where these apps have gone. So if we come down to our app section here, put them right down at the end. Now if there are any issues, I would definitely recommend unplugging your device and plugging it back in, giving it a power reset more or less. Just unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in. Usually fixes 99% of any issues. Enjoy, happy streaming, peace.